A while there we didn't have to worry about that, but I still think it's nice to see the sun shining out there, even if these winter kind of temperatures are sticking around for us.
Right, and also even though it was below freezing today, that sun really helps warm the pavement and melt any of that ice and snow that's still on the ground. So yeah, it was beneficial today. Now the thing for tomorrow is that we are going to be seeing a change in that weather as we go into Sunday, the second half of the weekend. A weak system is going to be passing mostly to the south of us, but a few of us may have to shovel an inch or two of snowfall. For today, lots of sunshine, just a few mid and high level clouds passing through the area. Right now we have cooled down to the mid-teens, 15 degrees, matter of fact, exactly in Green Bay, with the wind coming in out of the northeast at 5 miles per hour. 9 in Antigo right now. Cool spot up to the north. 14 in Sturgeon Bay, 20 in Manitowoc, 22 in Sheboygan, and 19 in Appleton right now. Winds are coming in mostly out of the northeast at about 5 to 10 miles per hour. Now they will actually start to pick up as we get towards tomorrow, and that could actually be a little bit of a wild card factor with our snowfall. I'll talk about that momentarily. But here's what we're looking at right now in terms of radar and satellite. Pretty quiet even across the entire Badger State. Some radar returns suggesting maybe a few flurries, but that's pretty much the worst case scenario in terms of what we're anticipating tonight. But you see the storm system off towards the west. That's the low pressure that's going to travel to the east and bring us some snowfall depending on where you live, mostly south of Highway 29. Skycast shows the clouds increasing overnight tonight. There's a snowfall down to our south at 5 in the morning, then slowly drifting up to the north. Here's about lunchtime, and it pretty much just kind of stops along and south of Highway 29, and then it just dwindles down to the southeast. But what you will be seeing is a little bit of some lake effect snowfall developing along the lake shore because of winds coming in out of the northeast, and that could maybe bring an isolated 4-inch total along Sheboygan County. What I'm thinking is about a dusting to an inch from Highway 29 down towards Highway 10, and then about 1 to 3 inches south of Highway 10. Most of us probably 1 to 2 inches. And the reason why we have that lake effect potential, at least an enhancement, are these winds coming in out of the northeast. Will be breezy tomorrow between about 10 to 20 miles per hour. So any blowing and drifting perhaps should be at least minimal because of not that much snowfall anticipated, but just, you know, if you're driving out on the county road, just a little bit of a heads up there. Now, turning the page to next week, we look to be dry on Monday mostly, and then also on Tuesday, but Wednesday comes our next storm system. This one could bring in several inches of snowfall. We'll have to monitor exactly how this storm materializes and also if it doesn't intensify as well. But as for tonight, 13 degrees with an overnight low temperature, northeast winds 5 to 10 miles per hour, increasing cloud cover. Then for tomorrow, we warm up to about 23 degrees. Light snowfall across the area. Most of that will be down to the south. 20 on Monday, a few flurries perhaps, and then on Tuesday, mostly sunny, high of 20. 28 on Wednesday, and then our temperatures gradually warm up as we turn the page into next weekend. Now on Saturday right now, there could be a little bit of a wintry mix. We start off with a temperature of 19 in the morning, Matt. Then we get up to near 40 in the afternoon. So perhaps maybe snowfall to start, then some rain, and then maybe back over to snowfall. We'll have to wait and see.
I knew winter was coming back, but it was nice to see the sun and just get a little break from it.
Maybe get a little sunscreen, get some tanning.
Get some tanning going. All right, thanks, Gino. Still ahead on